Hi, my name is Nathan Quarterer. Please call me Nate. I'll be the environmental science instructor here this semester as part of the Upper Iowa NICC partnership. Really just want to say thank you for signing up for this class. I'm really excited to work with you. I think this is a really important time to be talking about environmental science, and so I'm excited to have those conversations with you over the course of the next few weeks. I think environmental science is a great class because you get to talk about all different kinds of stuff. And I would argue that you could really spin just about any issue into an environmental topic. And so we'll talk about everything from water quality to geology to energy efficiency to climate change. We'll cover it all. And so I'm really excited to work with you all this semester. Thanks again for getting signed up. Give you a little bit of background about myself. Like I said, my name's Nate. I've been with NICC since 2011, so this is my 8th year as a full-time faculty. In addition to teaching environmental science, I also teach physics and several different sections of math. I'm not as familiar with Fayette County as I am with Winneshiek County, but my goal would be to try to get us outside as many times as possible, particularly early in the semester. I know that there's no shortage of really cool, unique environmental activities that we could participate in down near Upper Iowa, and my goal would be to reach out to the Fayette County Conservation Board folks to see what we have at our disposal down there in terms of cool field trips that we might be able to take. So depending upon your transportation availability, I may need to reach out to the fleet services here on our campus to possibly acquire a larger vehicle, but that would be something that I'd like to accomplish particularly earlier in the semester before the weather starts to get nasty. So again, my name's Nate. Sorry I couldn't be there this afternoon to meet you all in person, but I've got a math class up here on campus this afternoon that I need to be present for. So I hope you have a great orientation today, and I look forward to seeing everybody on Tuesday morning at 10 in the AV room. All right, take care everybody. Thanks.